Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to use crypto payment. We'll cover the basics of what cryptocurrency is and how it works as a digital payment method. You'll learn about the essential tools you need to get started, like wallets and exchanges. Plus, we'll dive into important security measures and best practices to ensure your transactions are safe and sound. It's simpler than you might think, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a crypto wallet. You can choose between a hot wallet, which is online and convenient, or a cold wallet, a physical device offering more security. Once you've picked one, set it up by creating a strong, unique password and, crucially, backing up your seed phrase. This phrase is your recovery key, so keep it safe. Finally, fund your wallet by buying your desired cryptocurrency from a trusted exchange. Now, let's make a payment. Begin by selecting the specific cryptocurrency you want to send, perhaps Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. You can usually scan a QR code provided by the merchant or manually enter the long alphanumeric address. Always double-check this address for accuracy. Finally, review all the transaction details, including the amount you're sending and any small network fees, before confirming the payment. Security is paramount when dealing with crypto. Always, and I mean always, verify the recipient's wallet address before sending funds. A single incorrect character means your money is gone forever. Enable two-factor authentication on all your crypto accounts for an extra layer of protection. Also, stay vigilant against common scams and phishing attempts. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy secure and confident crypto payments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.